Hello students, myself Dr. Darshana Subhash Gorgaokar, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology. So as you know, we have started with a new chapter, that is malnutrition disorders, and so far we have seen anemia, rickets, marasmus, goiter, and last one is kwashiorkor. Okay, so today we are going to see a malnutrition disorder, that is kwashiorkor. So as you can see in this photograph, this all the children are suffering from a malnutrition disorder, that is the kwashiorkor. Now what is this kwashiorkor? So it is one of the protein energy malnutrition. So, in most of the developing countries, marasmus and kwashiorkor are the most common conditions of protein energy malnutrition. We also find this disorders in India. This kwashiorkor is mainly caused because of the insufficient dietary protein. That is, there is less protein supplement or less proteins taken in a food and high concentration of carbohydrates. As you can see in the photograph, you can see the enlargement of stomach. Okay, that is, this is because of the more intake of carbohydrates, but this child does not get adequate amount of proteins from his diet, and hence he is suffering from kwashiorkor. This malnutritional disease is found in children. Okay, this disease is also called as infantile pellagra and nutrition edema. Okay, so next we are going to see the symptoms of kwashiorkor. So, a individual or a child who is suffering from kwashiorkor may show the following symptoms. You can see in the photograph also. So, a child shows a enlarged abdomen, that is a abdominal swelling. Okay, then there is a bloating. Okay, gas problem. Then diarrhea, that is um, diarrhea is a passing of frequent liquid from liquid substance. Okay, then there is enlargement of liver too. Okay, then such people suffering from kwashiorkor are short in height, means their height does not grow, their development does not take place, their growth development does not take place, or it is very slow. People with kwashiorkor also suffer from anemia. As we have seen in our previous lecture, anemia means a mm, anemia is a condition where a person is having less hemoglobin. Okay, hemoglobin or RBCs, that is the red blood corpuscles, are less. Okay, then you can in this one of the symptom of kwashiorkor is depigmentation of body, means you can find mm, different patches. When you see a skin of such a person or a child, you can see the skin color changes, like some is in some part the skin will be dark, in some part the skin will be pale. You can see patches of different means the skin color changes. Okay, then again, no proper proteins taken, and hence there is hair and nail loss, that is the hair Okay, they become brittle, there is loss of hair. Okay, nails, loss of nails. Okay, they break and fall out. Okay, these are the symptoms of kwashiorkor. Next is how one can prevent kwashiorkor. So, as I told you, kwashiorkor is caused due to the uh, insufficient intake of proteins. Okay, proteins are not taken sufficiently by a child, and hence protein content but the protein requirement of the body is not fulfilled and the child suffers from kwashiorkor. So for preventing kwashiorkor, proteins should be adequately taken along with carbohydrates and fats. Okay, so a child should have enough carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, which includes nearly 12% of the total calories which are taken by a child. Okay, again, the child should take food which are rich in proteins like meat, fish, egg, then dairy products, milk, and all. This should be taken in the diet. Okay, next is, see, these are the foods which are high in which give you high proteins like oats, sunflower seeds, fish, egg, kidney beans, cheese, potatoes, lentils. Okay, so such type of food should be included in a diet. Okay, thank you.